All right, cool.
Down in apartment 3, Sara's got a room-winning secret weapon. It's a vertical garden for their back wall, and she's pretty happy with herself. Just ask her.
I did some amazingness, like mind-blowingly awesome shopping.
Yesterday, it was Hayden who came up with the idea.
Thumbs up.
We have a secret garden in our bathroom.
But she's since heard from Hayden that Keith thinks it's a bad idea. So she's going to try and set him straight.
The vertical garden guy is sending through all the specs.
Good luck, Sara.
What to worry about?
Yep.
Right, you're putting in plants.
Yep.
Now, let's say that those plants sit there for 2 or 3 weeks without water. What's going to happen to those plants?
Well, they're going to die.
They're going to die.
But it's a maintenance thing.
It's a maintenance thing.
So they're indoor plants, so
Yep.
it's like you just get a water bottle and you just spray them.
I've witnessed vertical gardens dying,
Okay.
like within 2 or 3 months for years. And I
Okay.
sit there and watch it. And I'm saying, you can put it in,
Yeah.
as long as you can prove that it's got a system, that all the dirt from the watering system goes down into a drain
Yeah.
and gets away. What actually happens is the soil from behind the plants just drops down in the ground, and we get mould everywhere.
Ah, okay. But it fits in a frame.
I know, they all do.
Yeah, okay.
I've been hearing it for years.
Okay.
But they fail.
Okay.
When you've got a drawing that's adequate,
Yeah.
let me see that.
Okay.
If it's going to work and it's going to have longevity, we'll allow you to put it in.
All right. No worries. I'll get onto it.
Seems she just doesn't want to hear it.
I don't know what specifically the issue is, because if you've got a plant in a bedroom, you're going to water it, right? Well, it's exactly the same as this garden. You know, it's just on a bigger scale.
How good is it that you got one of these vertical gardens about 200 metres from the block?
Sara is still trying to change Keith's mind about the vertical garden. So she's brought her contact Jamie along to help persuade him.
I actually want to see one that's been installed and been around for a couple of years. Now, I'm trying to grant Sara's wishes and having a vertical garden. At the moment, I don't really know anything at all. Sara, Jamie and I have come into the Saint to inspect a vertical garden which has been established for 3 years. I can see it's in perfect condition, looking very healthy. See up here, you've got this great big sunroof. Lights just beaming in on these plants. Now, in your bathroom, you haven't got that situation. Now, the other issue is, how do we put it onto the wall without interrupting the waterproofing? So the way I reckon we attach it is we put threaded rod into the wall, right? We drill a hole in the back of your unit, we slip it over the threaded rod, we do the nuts up, then we are interrupting the waterproofing.
Sounds great.
Great.
So you know what? You can do it. You can have your vertical
Excited?
garden.
I am so excited. Thank you so much.
Sara is feeling bulletproof. Convinced of a win, now she's secured her ultimate secret weapon.
Happiness.